Tom Diederich with Plan B Social Media. Creating and running ads on LinkedIn is a great way to promote a group, LinkedIn group, your company, or even an event. It's fast and it's easy to create an ad, and you can do so for as little as $10 a day. Here's how you start. Go to the home page, click on the home icon, click Ads. Next, if it's a new ad, click on the right top, New Ad Campaign. Now this is where you name your ad campaign. This is just for your own use. No one will see this. So it can be example ad. Now the language, you can create multiple ads with different languages. It's a great way to reach different areas of your audience. Next, you want to type in a URL where you want the click to go. Now it could be your company, it could be a group on LinkedIn, it could be a sign-up page for an event. You do that there. Let's just put next, you want to enter a headline. Now this is actually the length that you have to work with here. It's only 25 characters. It's exactly 25 characters there. Click to enter a headline, so it has to be short. And you got 75 characters of space here, and this is for, you can see right there is the max, right? So that is not much, so it has to be very succinct. Next, you want to add an image. You can pick it from the library if you already had it, or you can upload a new one. Has to be maximum is 2 megs. Has to be square in shape, and there's a JPEG, GIF, or a PNG. And just bear in mind that it's going to scrunch it down to 50 by 50 pixels, so it's going to be short. It's going to be small, I mean. So I'll just use that. And you can add variations of the same ad, and that lets you, experiment on which ones might be more effective, or you might want to target different areas of your audience demographic just to see how they do. Let's skip that for now. Next step is location. You have to specify, first it starts at continent, and then it goes down to country, and then you can click on states. I'll just put Hawaii. All right. Next, you can pick a company. You don't have to, the rest of the steps you don't need. You can skip them, or you can go very granular. So you can pick a certain companies that you're targeting. There's people who work at those companies, or categories of companies. So you have a couple of choices. You can go by job titles, or job function, which is more generic, and seniority. Are they senior execs? Are they entry level? School, if you want to have only people that went to a certain college, you enter that there. If they have certain skills, if they have a specific group on LinkedIn that you want to target, male or female, if you want to pick one or the other, and then age groups. So next is your budget. Now it's gonna change a little bit, varying on what you picked up above. So I've seen it as low as $2.01 a click. Now this one's showing $2.14. So basically, you can set a budget. So let's say you don't want to spend more than $25 a day. Well, you can just put that right here, and when that on a daily basis is maxed out, it'll just stop that ad for the day and it'll reset in the morning. Now this is a great feature where you can actually have a button on your ad where they can check it to get more information, and then you have a lead right there. Next, you can have the ad run continuously until you stop it, or you can actually pick a specific date frame. It might be a day, a week, a month. Okay, so next step is just entering your credit card information, and that's it. I've actually started my credit cards in there, so I just created that ad, so I got to turn it off. But that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. This is Tom Diederich with Plan B Social Media.